Today I'm going to teach you how to add the BCC field to your Outlook emails. This is incredibly useful when you need to send emails to multiple recipients while keeping their addresses private from each other, or when you want to discreetly copy someone on a message without the main recipients knowing. Let's start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app on your device. Once it launches, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Just enter your credentials and wait for your inbox to fully load. This might take a moment depending on how many emails you have, so give it a second to populate everything. Now that your emails are loaded and you can see your inbox, we're ready to access the email composition tools. Look towards the top left part of your screen where you'll find the New Email button. This is the primary button you use whenever you want to draft a fresh message. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a blank email composition window where you can start crafting your message. From this email composition screen, shift your attention to the ribbon menu at the very top of the window. You'll see several tabs like Message, Insert, and others. What we need right now is the Options tab. Click on Options to reveal a whole new set of tools and settings specific to how your email will be sent and formatted. Once you're in the Options tab, look across the ribbon and you'll directly see the BCC button. It stands for Blind Carbon Copy, and it's positioned right there among the other sending options. Click on the BCC button to enable it. The moment you do this, you'll notice something change in your email composition window. A new recipient field labeled BCC will appear right below your To and CC fields. This is where you can add email addresses of people you want to receive the message without other recipients seeing their names. And there you have it. You've successfully added the BCC field to your Outlook email, giving you more control and privacy over who sees what in your communications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.